In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using GoDaddy. Whether you're new to using GoDaddy for your business transactions or simply looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your GoDaddy account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to turn your attention to the main menu or sidebar, which serves as your gateway to various features and functionalities. Look out for a section labeled either Commerce or Payments. Once you've found the right section, click through to find the Invoices option. This is where all your invoicing activities will take place. Now, let's get you started on creating a new invoice. Once you're in the Invoices section, you should spot a button that says Create Invoice. Clicking this button will take you to a new screen where you will begin entering the necessary details for the invoice you're about to send. First up, you need to define the customer and the specifics of the services or products you're charging for. Start by inputting the recipient's details. This includes their email address and any other contact information you may have. Having correct information here is crucial as it ensures your invoice reaches the right person without a hitch. Next, in the main section of your invoice, you'll want to add the list of items or services you're billing for. Make sure you provide descriptive names for each item you include, such as web design service, or whatever is relevant to your business. Don't forget to input the quantity and price for each item. This step is vital as it ensures accurate billing. You might also want to add any discounts or taxes that apply to each item or to the total amount. The GoDaddy invoicing system is designed to automatically calculate subtotals, taxes, and the grand total for you, making your job much easier. Always take a moment to review these totals to ensure everything looks as expected. Finally, once you've double-checked all the details and made sure everything is correct, it's time to send the invoice to your customer. Look for the send button or whatever similar action button is present and give it a click. Once you've done that, the customer will receive the invoice via email. Typically, the email includes a link that allows them to pay online using the payment methods you've set up with GoDaddy Payments, providing a seamless transaction process for them and you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and sent an invoice using GoDaddy. This process not only keeps things professional, but also helps you manage your business finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips.